Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy with Just Brandy, and thank you for coming back. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm really trying to build out my channel, and I would love to have you join me on some awesome home decor adventures and hauls. And I love thrifting, I love home decor, I love home goods. So if you're into any of that kind of stuff, please feel free to come back and visit me again. So today I want to share with you some of my thrift store finds that I've accumulated over the past couple weeks. Now, these items come from, I believe, 2 Goodwills, and it's not a huge amount of stuff, but what I did find I thought was really interesting, and I wanted to share that with you. So the first thing I want to share with you is this footstool. So check this out. Like, it's hard to see. I'm going to try to get it all in the frame for you. But you notice the light wood, right? It looks like handcrafted wood. And then this here, this is cowhide. And here's the back of it. Now, I don't know if this is real cowhide or not, but it feels like it to me, although I can't be sure. I don't know enough about the item. I love this. I thought this was absolutely adorable. It just looks so crafty and handmade, and I don't see a brand or anything on. Well, actually, I don't know what that means, but yeah, I don't see a clear brand on it. So I hope it's homemade. I love to find things that someone has actually put some time and effort into. But I love this cowhide. Look at that. And it's just a cute little footstool, but I don't know where I'm going to put it in my house. Like, I don't have an actual place for it. But I do love it. So that's the first thing. And I believe I paid $12 for this. Oops. Sorry, my footstool hit my little camera. Next item I found were these. I'm gonna have to be really gentle with them because I was already not gentle and they broke. It's these horse heads. They're marble bookends, or they might be onyx. I'm not sure. But they're either marble or onyx bookends. They're like this brown kind of peachy marbling, and as you can see, that big crack, that's where it broke in half, and they got banged up. This one is missing part of its crown. Had they not been destroyed, they would have been wonderful. But when they're on the shelf, you can't really tell that they've been broken. So I do like them on the shelf. I was so excited about them. I was so disappointed when they broke. I almost cried. But they were $4 a piece, so $8 for the set. And I've really been feeling like marble and onyx and those materials lately, and so I'm attracted to anything in those materials. So I was super excited to find these bookends, and they're very classic looking. I even wish they were a little bit bigger, like maybe like this tall. I think that would have been even better, but I do like them. I love the marbling on that. Look at that. I love that. But I did see there's lots of these on, if you're looking for something like this, look up marble, like horse head bookends. There are lots of these on Facebook Marketplace that you can purchase if you're into this kind of thing. And I love it. It goes with the style that my room is evolving into. And I'm able to put these on my bookshelf for some of my books that I have. The next item that I found was this bowl. Look at this bowl. Look at that nice crack running through it. I just love the shape. And this bowl I paid, I believe it was $3.99 for. Look at that. So right now, it's sitting in my room and it's currently just holding my sunglasses. So I'm not sure what else I would put in it other than sunglasses, but it works perfect for that. And it sits on my shelf. It holds my sunglasses. And I really, really appreciate it for that. So it's perfect. And I love the color. Look at the color. Look at that. Look at that color. That is beautiful. So the next item I found is two little really small items. This is another bowl. I was actually looking for something to hold my earrings, but it ended up being the perfect size to hold my crystals. And I've had some bigger crystals from like Home Goods. Like I've never been able to find the gigantic ones, but I've had like the medium-sized ones. I've had like 3 of them, and I've taken them back because they're oddly shaped. I don't know where to put them. So I got crystals from Marshall's, just really, really tiny ones that I thought would be better because I wouldn't have to worry about their placement. And I just set them in this bowl here, and I thought the bowl is just so pretty. But it would be perfect for like earrings or little bracelets, rings, you know, to put on your bedside table. As you can see, it's about the size of my hand. It's just really, really cute. Little quaint bowl. So I have another little bowl, and this was in the same thrift trip because I was looking for something to hold my earrings. And this one actually does have earrings. But this, I believe, is actually a candle holder that someone, you know, used the candle and then they gave the container to the thrift store. But it's like a marble pattern. I guess it's ceramic actually, but I really, really like it. And it works perfect. And I think if you're looking for something like little small, you need containers for like small objects like rings and stuff like that, like definitely check out the thrift store because you can find something that you can kind of reappropriate for your needs. They're the perfect place for that. And these earrings in here, I might as well just share this with you too because I just got these. These are my favorite place to get earrings is Cost Plus World Market. Do you see they're like wishbone with the little stone at the end? I love these earrings. So cute. All of these came from Cost Plus World Market. This one kind of looks like a bone, which I like. And this one, really cute, but like I never wear anything purple. I'm not sure why I got these, but anyway, they're cute. And then I have another little one in here. Little teeny little earring. Anyway, I like them. They're cute. But anyway, the container. It sits really nicely, again, about the size of the palm of my hand in the bathroom. Doesn't take up much room and serves its purpose. So I also found this vessel. I loved it. It's kind of like, it looks like a really big wine bottle almost. And it's a Magnolia home, so it was like a Target. You know, Target gives, I guess, unsold items or returns or whatever to Goodwill. So this was probably at Target at some point. And I just love the color. I love the sleekness of it. The only complaint I have about this particular vessel is the height. It is unusually tall. So it doesn't really sit well on a shelf with other items because of its height. So I'm having trouble finding a placement for it. I'm also haven't been able to find anything that I like coming out of it. So I guess this is called like a gooseneck. Nothing looks good coming out of it as far as a plant that I've been able to find. So I'm not sure what to do with it, but I do like it. It's like a champagne color. I do like it though. And this was I believe $7.99, and these two little things were probably about $3 each. I also came across this ceramic candlestick. It's just kind of a white or kind of off-white bone color. I like the shape of it. It would have been cool if there were two, but it's just this one. It's a little roughed up in places. I paid a few bucks for this. It is, I believe, ceramic, but it was really, really cute. Next item I found was this candle holder. This is wrought iron, black. It has 5 candlestick holders on it. It's fairly tall, especially the center one is fairly tall, and you can see the base. This was, I thought it was another Magnolia home item, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I was confusing the two. But yeah, I really like this. I actually don't see a brand on this. And you can see it's very imperfect. It looks hand sculpted, although it probably wasn't, but you know, it looks really, really cool. Unfortunately though, being that it's a candlestick holder, I don't like candles in it because the candles end up being so high. Like, I'm not sure where to put this, but I just like it as just a home decor item that kind of sits without candles, which is, what is the point of that? But yeah, I do like it though. I think it's interesting, and it's fairly heavy. It is wrought iron, and I do see a little bit of rust in different places. It's also dusty. I need to dust it off. Yeah, tell me what you think of that. Where would you put this? I don't know. Right now it's just sitting on top of my headboard because I have a headboard that's also like a shelf. So it has a flat base and it just sits there. And I think it looks cool, but yeah, I can't, candles just don't work for me in here. So my last item that I wanted to share with you guys is my favorite. Look at this. Look at this mirror. It's kind of heavy. I hope I do not drop it. Look at that. Look at all the detail. I loved it. It's gold, vintage. Oh, this is so pretty. It's about, I don't know, I guess about 2 feet high. Like, I just love it. Like, look at the top. Look at that detail. Let me put it down before I break it. But I love this. It's just, it set the tone for my room. It just brought the room together. Like, I was just like, I'm gonna have to insert some footage to show you how I styled this mirror. But I love this mirror. It is gorgeous. It is not, well, I don't know how old it is, actually. But it is heavy, but it's not like super, super heavy. So I'm not sure how vintage it is, but I do love it. And I paid $30 for this mirror. Oh, actually, I do have one more item to show you that I got from the thrift store. This one I'm actually gonna have to turn you around for because it's on the floor. Hold on, you guys. All right, my last thrift store item is actually this rug. It's about like a 9 by 10. And my room, and I'm doing a room makeover, so I can't show you my room right now, but the colors in my room are fairly neutral except for this rug. And so I didn't know whether or not it would work in here because it's so kind of bright and vivid. But I actually love the way that it works in the room because all of the color is on the floor rather than on the walls, which is a bit unusual. But man, I really, really like this. I paid $40 for this rug. I did clean it, but it wasn't dirty. I was just being kind of like a little overzealous because of COVID and stuff like that. So I wanted to make sure that the rug was like really, really clean. But look at the detail. Look at all the colors. I really, really, really like this rug. And I guess it's a bit of a risk because it does bring so much color, but because I'm not really matching any of this with the room decor outside of like the gray and the beige and champagne colors, it just seems to work. Like I've never thought about bringing in color into a room through the floor. I think that, but it works. It works, and this is obviously easy to change out. If I get tired of it, if I just want to tone it down, I could throw another carpet kind of on top of it that's more neutral and kind of just tone it down a bit. I really like the idea. I haven't seen anyone do this before, but I love bringing in the color and the texture through the floor rather than on the wall. It's just different. So anyway, that is my home decor haul, thrift haul for you guys for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please again, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite items are. I would love to have you join my family so I can grow my channel and bring more content to you guys that you guys love. So thank you very much and talk to you later.